Hello folks, we are here with a new video. We're gonna learn today that how we can configure Microsoft Visual Studio Code with C and C++. For that we just have to install a compiler from a website. Although it is not installed or have any extension in Microsoft Visual Studio Code already default in the code editor, right? So just go to Google and write MinGW and search MinGW install. This is main site. Just go search for .NET. This will give you the exe file, the installer file for the installation of your C++ setup. Just go on that. Just click on download. So it will ask you to download the setup. Just wait. It's a very small setup, right? Just go to download. Run as administrator, or you can run it simply, though it has no problem at all. Install it. I'll recommend you to not to change any of the settings, like on the desktop and all. You need that one. So just click on continue. Now it will install the packages and some target files from the their server. It will take up some time, so do not worry. So it has downloaded the setup and installation file. So we can click on continue. Here is the main process. Here you have to install the G++ and some code for C++, right? So you have to select all of these. Just click on markup for installation. So you have selected all of these. Do not try to intimate any of these things, like we need it at all in the programming. So you have selected all. Just click on apply changes from here. Apply. Now it will downloading the package from this server. It may take up to 2 to 3 minutes, so do not worry. So it is still installing. We need some time. Simply GCC helps you to run C++ and C language on PC through Visual Studio Code. It provides the environment for compilation on your system variable. So it says that all changes are applied successfully. You may close the variable. Okay, close. Okay, we are coding for all these. So let me tell you one thing. I'm going to open command prompt in the administrator. Let us check it is installed or not, just by typing g++ minus minus version. See, it says that it's not a command. It's not a command. See, so it's not set up in a PC. So if we go in this MinGW bin and open here a command prompt, just by simple cmd and type here g++ minus minus version. Okay, we can observe the fact that it is installed here. It says that the variable which we be creating will run here. So what we can do is we need to tell a computer system that this is a file of G++. We will using it in a whole system using the variables using the Visual Studio Code. So do not interpret in between. So we'll exit, just copy that. Again open the file, copy it, and now type. I'm highlighting the word edit. I'm telling you again, use the word edit. Edit the system variable. Just open it. Go here, environment variables. This is what I was talking about. Okay. We need to add the path of MinGW in a system variable so that our system can understand whether the object is fine or not. So click on new, click on edit, click on edit, click on new again. Spread is here. Okay. Okay. Save it as. Okay. Now we go on desktop, right? Again. Now right. And administrator. Open it, yes. Now type G++ --, over here. Okay, we can see now from desktop itself we can access the variable of G++. So it means it has been set up now. Now open your Visual Studio Code, which you were facing the earlier problem in this. How we can run it. Go to your extensions. Right, C++. It is published by Microsoft, the IntelliSense. I have already installed it, so you can see that. Install this one. Downloading the one. Let it be. And meanwhile, you have to install one thing also. Code Runner. This extension is also needed to be installed in the system and in a Visual Studio Code. So I've already installed. Let me install. So the code has been installed right now. Let us check it. Installed. So I may click exit. So restart, quick restart. Okay. Okay. So they are here. So it has been installed. So I will create a new file. Of language, Control X. So if you want to save this file as well, input and load cp. So let me show you. The input file has been created. You just have to write the code, include a header file, standard studio using namespace. And I may write a code. Load it first. I have saved the file. So int a b. See. What is it showing? Okay, I have included the C language. Sorry for that. I have installed it. So I think we have read the code, so we can run it. In terminal. Enter the number 4, some 7. I think it's correct. So here we are. We have just run the C++ and also C file using the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And yes, I want to tell you one more thing. And there are problems that can be pop up while you do the programming. Just go in code runner. It's a setting of our extension. Just check the fact that whether this is checked in or not. It should be checked in. If it's not, it will not work in terminal. Right? You have to create a zip file, and that's all most the things we have to do. So this is one of the most important things. We have a look on that first, then close it. So we are done with this. So that was a tutorial that how we can set up C and C++ using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. We just installed the compiler of it, MinGW, G++, and we were successful in that. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.